Okay, to use the Commodore files from the CBM Files website, find the file you want to use. And then right-click the link and download it. I'm going to download the solar system drawing program for the 128. Save it to my desktop. And after you've done that, open DirMaster. Go up to Disk, select New, D64. Then drag and drop the file you downloaded. Give the file a new name to get rid of all that garbage. Then go back up to Disk. Save as. Then save your new disk as a D64. I'm going to save it on the desktop. Okay, once you've done that, open the appropriate Commodore program in Vice. Go to File, Attach Disk Image to Drive 8. Double-click your new D64. Now we can load the program. Load star, comma 8. Run it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.